Cool trick here with logic. I wanted to be able to randomize parameters of automation for my track, and so this way you can save time. So if you have like a 5-minute track and you don't want to have to go through and like mess with volume knobs or panning knobs or all kinds of automation, basically you can set up a quick randomizer and sort of select a range for it so that you don't go too far out of the range, and you can get a subtle modulation from this effect. So anyway, here's how we do it. So first we have to have a region, and we have to have some nodes in it, and you can create the nodes with a pencil tool. You can create the region with a pencil tool, and then you can go in and create the automation as well with a pencil tool. Now the trick here is these are not useful until they're converted into a region-based automation. So in this instance, I have pan as my selected automation parameter. So now I need to go in here and choose convert automation, and I want to convert the visible track automation to region automation. And so that should have done the trick there. And then when we open up the event list, it shows you my little nodes here. You can have as many of those as you want, of course. And so then what we do is we select all of these, and we go into functions, and we see MIDI transform highlight. And if you don't see MIDI transform highlighted, it's because you didn't do all those previous steps of converting the track automation to region-based automation. So that is the ultimate secret there, because you can go around in circles trying to figure this one out, because this is grayed out. Anyway, next thing we need to do is to randomize what they're calling velocity here. And the key thing is none of that. The key thing is that this must be set to fader, because this is a fader movement going on here. And then random is set to sort of the range of things we want to randomize in these parameters. So long as these are selected, we click select and operate, we can see our randomized panning going on here. How awesome is that? And it's not affecting anything else. So that's what I did over here as well. So if I click this one and I have to select all these, then you get the gist of it. So if you select the region, it looks like it automatically selects all of the nodes. These little dots are the nodes. So very cool feature that can hopefully save a lot of time. Randomize your automation parameters. And I would suppose this goes for all of the stuff you could randomize with automation, or all the automation you'd want to randomize in your effects. So anyways, the other key is to be on data byte 2 for this particular concept, and once that's all functional, you can mess with the other settings to finesse how the randomization will work.